Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to our beloved lecturer, Madam Nur Faiza binti Jamal and fellow students. Today, we will present our paired assignment in topic interval estimation. This is our group members. My name is Nurnisa Fatimah binti Azmi.
And my name is Ilya Shamimi binti Azman. In this video, we will cover two questions about interval estimation and provide detailed answers. This is question 1A. For question 1A, we need to find unbiased estimates of the mean and construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean. Firstly, identify whether this question is case 1, which is variance is known, or case 2, which is variance is unknown, by list out all the information given first. As we can see in this case, is case 1, which is variance is known. Next, find x bar as our mean just by using calculator, which is 11.05. Now, we can start construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean using the formula for one population mean when variance is known. First, write out the formula, then substitute z with s bar minus mu over sigma per square root n. Next, move sigma per square root n to both sides and follow the same step for x bar. After that, multiply negative to both sides so that mu can be positive and the symbol will be changed. Then, interchange the equation left and right so the symbol back to original. Last but not least, substitute all the variables with the information given, then we will get the last answer. So the last answer is 10.0170 greater than mean and less than 12.0830. Next, for question 1A2, the answer is the claim is supported because 11.2 is included in the range of interval. This is questions 1B. For question 1B1, we need to find a 99% confidence interval between the population mean of two groups. Firstly, as usual, list out all the information given by the question so we can identify whether it's a large sample or a small sample. After we identify this is the case for small sample, find if the x can be pooled by checking using this formula, large x squared over small x squared. The answer we get here is smaller than 3, and that means our s can be pooled. Now, we can find a 99% confidence interval between two population mean. First, find S pool by using the given formula, and we get 7.4917 for the answer. After we get the S pool, we can use formula of interval estimation between two population means for small sample, which is S bar 1 minus S bar 2 plus minus T alpha over 2 and N1 plus N2 minus 2 degree of freedom multiplied with S pool square root of 1 over N1 plus 1 over N2. Substitute all the variables with the information given, then we will get the final answer. The final answer is 8.7413, greater than the difference between two population means and less than 21.2587. Next, for question 1B2, the answer is since 0 is not one of the value in the interval, we can conclude that the height of male and female students are different.
Now, we move on to the question number 2. So, question A, first thing first, we list out all the information given and we get n equal to 101, sigma x equal to 15200 and sigma x minus x bar square equal to 26144. For question 1 Roman, we must find the point estimates for the population mean, which is x bar, and the population variance, which is x square. So the formula for x bar is sigma x divided by n. Since the values are already provided, we just substitute the value and we get x bar equal to 150.495. Next, the formula for x squared is equal to sigma x minus x bar squared divided by n minus 1. Same goes to the x bar, we substitute the value and we get x squared equal to 261.44. To Roman, the question requires us to construct a 98% confidence interval on the population standard deviation. We will use interval estimation for variance when population mean is unknown to construct, since we have to calculate the value of x bar, and we use chi-square distribution in this derivation. Firstly, we insert the formula n-1 x squared divided by variance into the chi-square degree of freedom n-1 in the middle. Then divide both sides with n-1 x squared and we will get 1 over variance in the middle. After that, we use cross multiplication and we get the variance. Since the question asks for the standard deviation, square root both sides. Then calculate the value of alpha and we get alpha is equal to 0.02 while alpha divided by 2 is equal to 0.01. Then we substitute all the value and we get the value of standard deviation is bigger than 13.8747 and less than 19.3168. This is question for 2B. So we move on to the question B. As usual, list down first all the information given. So we have mission A and mission B. For the mission A, n is equal to 13 and x squared equal to 0.04, while n for mission B is 25 and x squared equal to 0.01. So the first question is, calculate a 95% confidence interval for the ratio of the variance. First, we calculate the value of alpha and we get 0.05 and alpha divided by 2, we will get 0.025. So first, write down the formula of confidence interval for the ratio of variance and substitute all the value that have given in the questions. Lastly, we will get the ratio of variance is bigger than 1.5748 and smaller than 12.08. So the last question is, can we conclude that the variance are equal? So we can conclude that the variance are not equal since the interval obtained does not include the values of 1.
So, in this video, we explored two key questions about interval estimation and provided detailed answers to each. Understanding interval estimation is crucial because it allows us to estimate population parameters with a given level of confidence, which is essential in many fields. I hope this video has helped clarify these concepts and provided with a deeper understanding of interval estimation. Thank you for watching.